So I highly encourage every Christian to read this, not because I think it's a perfect book, and not because I think that every Christian's going to agree with it. It's certainly going to be very controversial for most Christians. But I encourage everyone to read it because it presents really good scriptural arguments for a different viewpoint in Christianity. You might be mad at him, you might think he's a heretic, you might disagree with him, but one thing you can't really accuse him of is basing his opinion on something other than the Bible. Hope Beyond Hell is a thoroughly, well-researched book based entirely on the Bible. The cover itself looks nice, looks like it's well designed. Here's the spine, it says Hope Beyond Hell. It's got a well laid out table of contents. You can find what you're looking for pretty easily. And then as far as the text itself, it's laid out well. It's got a good sized font. It's easy to read. There's going to be lots of pull quotes, lots of bulleted points, making it a very easy to read book. Now he does say in the book that it's obviously not a novel. Feel free to skip around in this book, find the sections that appeal most to you in terms of reading it. I did read it straight through just because that's how I read books. So I can see why he said that. And at times it does get a little repetitive, especially concerning some of the scriptures that he cites over and over again. But I did appreciate reading it straight through because it really gave me a good understanding of what his argument was. I don't think that this is the best book in terms of evangelical universalism, but it does hit pretty much all of the necessary arguments without it being extremely, extremely long. Not counting the appendixes, it is 184 pages long. So it's digestible, definitely challenging, gonna make you think, and thoroughly, like I said, thoroughly scriptural. So like I said, in the back there are some appendixes, and they'll cover various topics. Some are kind of like essays, just giving you a little more encouragement to think through these things. In terms of shorter things on the same topic, I really recommend P.T. Barnum's essay, Why I'm a Universalist. It pretty much hits all the same stuff, only it's a lot shorter, quicker read. So if you wanted to start somewhere, I would start there. But then I would say this is definitely worth a read. It goes into more detail, hits more scripture. This is definitely a good book for anyone starting to look into evangelical universalism. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.